Hi friends, I am KS Chaudhary. Here we use the uses of need. Right? Do you need water? No, I need water. Right? Did you need money last year? पिछले साल आपको पैसे की जरूरत थी. Yes, the I needed money last year. Question that did you need my help yesterday? या कल आपको मेरी हेल्प की जरूरत थी? Yes. Yesterday I needed your help. Right? Today I don't need your help. तो we use needed also. Right? हाँ. तो we can use जब मुझे पैसे की जरूरत थी when I needed money. You can speak now. When I needed money. In this way you can speak now. Right? जब मुझे पैसे की जरूरत थी. When I needed money. When I needed money. Right? उस समय तुमने मेरी हेल्प नहीं की. At that time you didn't help me. At that time you didn't help me. Right? Help me. अब मुझे आपके पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need your money. I'm capable. बोल सकते हैं आप. Now I don't need your money. Now I don't need your money. Now I don't need your money. Yes. तो in this way और वे रूड वे बोले, राइट? हाँ, उससे बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्ट बोले आप. Need not to talk with him. या needn't talk to him. डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं. Didn't talk to him. Did not touch my things. Need not play here. Need not say anything about my family. So in this way we can use. Okay. Need not talk to him. उससे बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नहीं, मुझे तो उससे बात करने की जरूरत है. आप आंसर दें. No. I need to talk with him. मुझे तो जरूरत है. Right. We can say that I don't need to purchase clothes. अब बोला, हाँ, कपड़े खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं. नहीं, मुझे तो जरूरत है. I need to purchase clothes. मम्मी ने बोला, नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है. Don't need to purchase. That time. Okay. Yes. Need not. Need. Yeah. Needn't purchase. Right. Clothes. सपोज किसी ने बोला, हाँ, नीडंट परचेज क्लोथ. कपड़े खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. अरे यार, तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे तो जरूरत है ना कपड़े खरीदने की. राइट? यू डोंट नीड टू परचेज क्लोथ. यू डोंट नीड टू परचेज क्लोथ्स. राइट? या. But I need to purchase clothes. You don't need to purchase clothes. You have lot of clothes. और बोल सकते हैं जैसे you have lot of clothes. You have a lots of clothes, right? But I have no clothes, so I need to purchase directly. But I have no. But I have no. But I have no. I have no clothes. But I have no clothes. So I need to purchase clothes. So I need to purchase clothes. Directly you can speak then. Yeah, we can say that. पहले मुझे कोई खास जरूरत नहीं थी. Before I didn't need too much money because I was very small. ठीक है, पहले मुझे खास जरूरत नहीं थी. Before I did not need too much. Right, that's opposite. Khas means too much. Before I didn't need. I didn't need. I didn't need money. Right? But now I need money because I have got married. शादी हो गई है मेरी. Before I was bachelor, so I didn't need too much. I didn't need too much money. Too much money. Right? Yes. I need now too much money. I need now too much money. After marriage, every person need too much money. Before marriage, they can survive, right? But after marriage, okay, yeah, after marriage, right? Every person needs money too much, right? Every person, every person needs money too much, right? Need not to speak too much. ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली आप बोल सको. ओके, नीड नॉट टू स्पीक टू मच. ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. नीड नॉट टू स्पीक टू मच. राइट? यस, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. नीड नॉट या नीडंट. ओके, नीडंट स्पीक्स too much. To me, मुझसे. In this way, we can say that. ज्यादा स्टाइल मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not to present. Okay, तुम्हें ज्यादा स्टाइल मारने की प्रेजेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not to present too much style. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. You need not to present style. किसके सामने? मेरे सामने. In front of me. In front of me. Right. Because I know your worth. Because I know your worth. वर्थ मीन्स होता है औकात. औकात. बीइंग योर वर्थ. अपनी औकात में रहो. इसे बोलना हो, अपनी औकात में रहो. बीइंग योर वर्थ. अपनी औकात में रहो. नाइस टॉपिक. नाउ need we explain about that. Needed also we explain. You need not to touch my things. You need to watch my video. You need to present comments. You need to subscribe my channel. You need to share my video. Yeah, bye. Next video will be too much good. Yeah, so you need to subscribe my channel. Bye.